Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Science class. Children, what we learnt in the last class? Yes, we learnt about freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Today also we are going to see the remaining lesson. Children, before I could enter the lesson, I am going to ask you few questions. Are you ready, children? Yes. Which is our national animal? Yes, tiger is our national animal. Which is our national bird? Yes, peacock is our national bird. Which is our national tree? Yes, banyan tree is our national tree. Which is our national flower? Yes, lotus is our national flower. Okay, children, let's get into the lesson. Children, in the last class, we elaborately learnt about the great freedom fighters Subramania Bharati, V.O. Chidambaram and Chembaga Raman. Now we are going to discuss about Subramania Siva. He was born in Dindigul. He was a freedom fighter and a creative writer. He started a monthly newspaper called Jnana Banu, and also he was very passionate about Tamil. He wrote many books. They are Ramanuja Vijayam, Sankara Vijayam and so on. Subramania Siva closely worked with V.O. Chidambaram and Subramania Bharati in freedom movement. He inspired many young people to join the freedom movement. So, this angered the British and they sent him to jail. Even though he was in jail, he continued his work for the freedom movement. And after his death, the collector office of Dindigul district is named as Tyagi Subramania Siva Maligai. Now let's learn about Tirupur Kumaran. He was born in Tirupur. During his young age, he actively involved himself in the freedom movement. He started Desabandhu Youth Association and it inspired many young people of Tamil Nadu to take part in the freedom struggle. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. So, he is called Kodikatha Kumaran. The next freedom fighter is Lakshmi Sahal. She is commonly called Captain Lakshmi. She was a revolutionary of the Indian independence movement and she was an officer of the Indian National Army. Okay, children, I hope you are all very much inspired after knowing all these freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. And their patriotism towards India and contribution to the independence can never be forgotten. They inspired and motivated us to be better citizens and serve our country. Children, let's see the evaluation of the first lesson. First Roman, choose the correct answer. Number 1. Where was Bharatiyar born? Where was Bharatiyar born? The options are Ettayapuram, Madurai and Dindigul. Now tell me, children, which is the correct answer? Ettayapuram, Madurai and Dindigul. Yes, the answer is Ettayapuram. So, he was born in a village called Ettayapuram. Next, number 2. Dash was not composed by Bharatiyar. The options are Vande Mataram, Achamillai and Katti Inji. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, Vande Mataram and Achamillai. Both these two poems are composed by Bharatiyar. So the answer is Katti Inji. Katti Inji poem was not composed by Bharatiyar. Next, third one. Dash is known as Kappalotiya Tamilan. Dash is known as Kappalotiya Tamilan. The options are Subramania Siva, Bharatiyar and V.O. Chidambaram. Which is the correct answer, children? Yes, V.O. Chidambaram. Because V.O. Chidambaram started a Swadeshi steam shipping company. So, he is called as Kappalotiya Tamilan. Number 4. Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? Who coined the slogan Jai Hind? The options are Bharatiyar, Chembagaraman and Kumaran. Now tell me children, which is the correct answer? Yes, Chembagaraman. So Chembagaraman coined the slogan Jai Hind. Next one, who started a monthly newspaper Jnanabanu? Who started a monthly newspaper Jnanabanu? The options are A. Subramania Siva, B. Bharatiyar and C. V.O. Chidambaram. Now tell me children, which is the correct answer? Yes, Subramania Siva. So Subramania Siva started a monthly newspaper called Jnanabanu. Next, match the following. Number 1, Desabandhu Youth Association. The answer is Tirupur Kumaran. Tirupur Kumaran started this Desabandhu Youth Association. So, the answer is Tirupur Kumaran. Number 2, Dindukkal. Answer is Subramania Siva. He was born in Dindukkal. So, the answer is Subramania Siva. Number 3, International Pro-India Committee. The answer is Chembagaraman. Number 4, Swadesamitran. Answer is Bharatiyar. Bharatiyar was the assistant editor of this Swadesamitran newspaper. So, the answer is Bharatiyar. Number 5, lawyer. V.O. Chidambaram was a lawyer. Desabandhu Youth Association, Tirupur Kumaran, Dindukkal, Subramania Siva, International Pro-India Committee, Chembagaraman, Swadesamitran, Bharatiyar, lawyer, V.O. Chidambaram. Next, answer the following. Children, we already learnt 3 question answers in this lesson. Now, let's see the remaining question answers. Question number 4. What is the contribution of Chembagaraman in freedom struggle? What is the contribution of Chembagaraman in freedom struggle? The answer is Chembagaraman established International Pro-India Committee. He joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind. Chembagaraman, Chempagaraman, Chembagaraman, established Established, established, international, INTER, inter, national, 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 international, pro, pro, India, 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 committee, COMMITTEE, committee. He joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. Joined, JOINED, joined. Indian, INDIAN, Indian. Independence, INDEPENDENCE, independence. Committee, COMMITTEE, committee. Berlin, BERLIN, Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind. Coined, COINED, coined. Slogan, SLOGAN, slogan. Jai Hind, JAI, Jai Hind, 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 Jai Hind. I repeat, what is the contribution of Chembagaraman in freedom struggle? Chembagaraman established International Pro-India Committee. He joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. He coined the slogan Jai Hind. Question number 5. Write a short note on Tirupur Kumaran. Write a short note on Tirupur Kumaran. The answer is, he is a freedom fighter from Tirupur. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. So, he is called Kodikatha Kumaran. Freedom fighter. Freedom. Freedom. Fighter. Fighther. Fighter. From. 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 Tirupur. Tiruppur. Tripur. Started. 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 Desabandhu Youth Association. Desa. 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 Bandhu. 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 Youth. 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 Association. 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 During. 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 Protest. 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 Against. 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 British. 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 Died. 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 Holding. 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 National. 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 Flag. 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 India. 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 Called. 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 Kodikatha. Kodi. Kodi. Katha. Katha. Kodikatha. Kumaran. 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 He is a freedom fighter from Tirupur. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. So, he is called Kodikatha Kumaran.